Very good.
Very good. Feel good to lead kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
That's how we tell his progress. Good. Keep the pressure up the nerve here, okay? Press down your legs. Okay, lay on your side this way, please. That's it, good. On your back, please. Good. Alright, one more squat. One more. That's it. Okay. Sit right there and shake your neck. Sit right there. Okay. This way now, please. There it is. Good. Okay.